In this video, we're going to talk about determinants and how to calculate the minor and the cofactor of a certain value given to me. So when I have a 3 by 3 determinant set, I have the including signs that match each of these values in my 3 by 3 determinant. So if they say find the cofactor of, let's say, the first value of 4, I have to allocate where the value of 4 is, and I see 4 is in this position there. So then I'm going to, with a cofactor, have to include the sign that matches up or lines up with the numbers. So 4 is in this position, so I'll have to include the sign that go with this position. So if I find the cofactor of 4, I see the 4, I'm going to include the sign. The sign for the 4 is this sign, which is minus. I'm going to include a minus sign there, and then I'm going to eliminate the row in the column. So that means if I eliminate this row and this column, then I'll have a 2 and a 3 on that side, and an 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9. So now the signs stay there minus, and then I have to go and calculate 2 times 9 in a bracket minus 8 times 3 in a bracket. So I include the sign, so that will be 18 minus 24, and this will give me a minus 6. A minus 6 times a minus will give me a plus 6, will be the cofactor value of 4. If I take a second example and I say I want to find the cofactor of 5, and I look at the position of 5 and I see the sign that goes with the 5 position is a plus, now I'm going to have a plus on my cofactor or my determinant, and then I'm going to see the 5 and eliminate the row in the column. So then I will have the 1 and the 7, 1 and the 7, and the 3 and the 9. So if I eliminate the row in the column, this, and this is left over. So now I'll have a plus 1 times 9 minus 7 times 3. This one times this one, always minus this one times that one. So 1 times 9 is 9, and 7 times 3 is 21. This will result in an answer of minus 12, and that would be the answer that I get now. If I now want to find the minor of 2, the minor does not include a sign at the end. It's always positive. So I always just do the determinant of the 2. So I'll find the position of the 2, and there I just eliminate the row in the column. So if I do that, eliminate this row in this column, I'll just be left with a 4 and a 7, and at the bottom a 6 and a 9. And then it is this one times this one minus this one times that one. Or I'm going to write it there. It will be 4 times 9, always minus 7 times 6. And 4 times 9 will give me 36. 7 times 6 is 42. And then it will give me an answer of minus 6. And that's how I find the cofactor of values and the minor of this value. So the cofactor do include these signs where the minor is always positive.